Look at the crazy girl. All wrapped up in the bubble wrap. All wrapped up in the bubble wrap. Crazy girl. I don't think Otis likes the bubble wrap. You got out. Good job. You not want Otis by your bubble wrap? Thank you. Hey, can we check a bum? I smell poopies. Can we go check a bum? Good, thank you. Yay! It's like Christmas. Oh, the bubble wrap. Oh, the bubble wrap. Whoops. You okay?